Hi lovely mommies, you once again welcome to Baby Ann's Kitchen. In this recipe I have with me my already made oatmeal. I'm going to put this in my blender. Then I'll go ahead and scoop 1/4 of my avocado into the same blender. I will add half of my banana and then go ahead and add my milk. You can either use breast milk or formula milk, and if you're giving this to a baby above 1 year, you can either use cow's milk or any milk of your choice. Give this a smooth blend and serve this to your baby. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, so these are really needed to add some more weight to the baby. Oats, on the other hand, is rich in fiber, so if you're giving this to your baby, you are sure there's not going to be any constipation. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching our videos. Bye.